Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to learn a very important trick in Logic Pro X, which can save really a lot and lots of your time, especially while mixing. You already have read the title of the video. It says how to copy a channel strip in Logic Pro X. Now, what I mean by that? If a chain have an equalizer with some specific settings, and after that you have a compressor with some specific settings on it, and after that you have maybe some deesser or whatever. So if you have 3 or 4 or 5 plugins with some specific settings, you can just save them as a channel strip and use them whenever you want. So how to do that? Okay, first you have to open a mixer. we'll go to uh, we'll go to View tab and open a mixer from here. Now I can see two channels over here. One is empty and the other one has three plugins. I'll go to settings and click here. Save channel strip settings as. Okay. For now I'm going to save it as tutorial. Obviously you can give any other name you want and click save. Now I'll click on the settings on the other channel, and here you can see that saved channel strip by the name of tutorial. Now you can apply it as many times as you want on any number of channels in any number of projects. So that was all guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, if you have learned something, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Peace.